I'm Jennifer Howard from Cottage on Bunker Hill, and you're watching Hometalk. I'm just going to cut a straight line, or straight as possible, around it to cut that top portion of the bottle off. The top portion's all cut off. I threw that away, and now we are going to paint the bottle. All right, I'm using some off-white chalk paint for this. You can use any color you want. And I'm just going to do a nice coat all around the bottle. Just going to get a little paint inside the rim. And I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and do a light second coat. The white paint is dry, and now I have a little bit of a dark brown chalk paint and a little chip brush. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping my brush into the paint, and then I'm tapping most of it off, and I'm going to do a technique called dry brushing. And in a couple spots, I'm just kind of dabbing the paint on a little bit. I'm just giving it a couple different looks, a couple different textures. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. And I have a little bit of copper chalk paint, and I'm just going to add a couple little copper highlights. It's a pretty color for fall. And for one final detail, I'm taking this little wooden maple leaf, and I'm just going to put a little bit of the paint on the leaf, and we're going to hang this on the vase. And I'm going to take some jute twine. I'm going to kind of unravel it. It's a little bit too thick. And then I have a bead left over from my last Hometalk project. The wood bead vase. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. It was super cute. So I put one of the wood beads on top of the leaf. Then I'm just gonna do a loose little knot here. Then I'm gonna take the little vase and tie that around the front. Can you believe this was my refrigerator a little while ago? How cute is that? I'm just gonna finish it off with, I have some dried ornamental grass from my garden. If you ever have these and bring them in, you know they shed everywhere. But if you give them a little squirt of hairspray, it holds most of the little floaties on, and they don't go all over your house. And there you have it. I'm Jennifer Howard. Thank you for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.